Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete story on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step that you need to follow is to open Play Store and search your TikTok and update your TikTok application. Once you complete that, you simply need to go and open TikTok, and then you need to click on your profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on the plus icon, and here you need to select uploads and select a video, and then you need to click on next and post to story. So now it is posting, so wait for a few seconds, and here you can see that the story is showing here. And if you want to delete your story, you simply need to click on three dots and click on delete and click on delete again. So now you can see that your story is removed. So this is the process by which you can delete story on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.